Hi, Vinas. Dr. Srikanth back again from Team MDS Conquer and Dental Dudes. Okay, so I'm just going to give a very important information both for the clinical dentistry as well as for the entrance examination point of view. So the files in front of you are ProTaper files. Okay, so which are most familiar files and most commonly used files in the rotary system of endodontics. Okay, so it's very important that you need to learn about the dimensions of these files. So jumping into the contents, ProTaper files has 3 shaping files and 5 finishing files. Out of these 5 finishing files, 3 are very basic and 2 are called as accessories. So you have 8 file system. So the shaping files are named as S6, S1, S2, whereas the finishing files are F1, F2, F3, which are basic, and F4, F5 are accessory. Okay, so the color coding is one of the important aspects that they can ask questions on, either in the Viva of a third year MDS student. Probably it can be a pedo and conservative endo. Okay, so the coding is gold, purple and white for S1, SX, S1, S2, whereas the finishing files have the same coding system as that of the hand files, that is yellow, red, blue, black and yellow back again. And the tip diameters are same as that of hand files. Yellow is 20, red is 25, blue is 30, black is 40 and yellow comes again with 50. Whereas the tip diameters of SX is 0.19, SX is also called as orifice opener or orifice enlarger. S1 is 0.17 and S2 is 0.20. Okay, the most important aspect that you have to make a note is the tapers. The taper of SX is 0.04 and 0.20 and 0.04. That is 4% is taper, 2% is taper and 4% is. When jumping to the finishing files, it starts with 7 taper, 8 taper, 9 taper and go back to 6 again and ends with 5 again. So these are the tapers of the files and the finishing files and the shaping files. Now you have a question which is most frequently asked. Okay, if F2 ProTaper is cut 1 millimeter short at the apex, what will be the effective diameter? They are just asking the diameter at 1 millimeter short of the tip. So for this you have a formula called as dx. Of course we have discussed this a number of times. Dx is equal to d naught plus x into taper. So this is a formula that you have to make a note. D naught is nothing but the tip diameter. Now here they are asking D1 means 1 millimeter short of apex. If you talk about the F2 file, you can go back to the chart and check it. F2 file has a tip diameter of 0.25 and a taper of 8%. So dimensions are 0.25 and 8% is taper. Now they are asking D1 value. Dx is nothing but tip diameter 0.x is 1 into taper. Taper is 0.08. So it is 0.25 plus 0.08. The answer is 0.33. Similarly, they can ask like the tip diameters at any length. So for example, the same question was asked at tip diameter of 3 millimeters. So then you have to go for D3. D3 is equal to 0.25 plus 3 into 0.08. That is 0.25 plus 0.24. Then the answer is 0.49. So D3 is 0.49, D1 is 0.30 for a F2 file. Okay, I hope this question is clear. Okay, many of you from past few years, like probably including my preparation, it's almost like the question was being repeated from past 8 to 10 years, frequently asked question by most of the students. So I feel like we are planning to come out with a series where we're going to discuss the most common doubts and the most common questions repeated in the examination. Hope this video is useful. Okay, so please do subscribe and like if the video is useful for you. As of now, signing off, Dr. Srikanth from Team MDS Conquer.